yé ìyàwó mi ní wákàtí àti òwò ni pé níwọ̀n ìgbà tí èmi ò ti kọ ìyàwó mi lẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé ní tòótọ́ níyàwó mi sì nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi tó sì rẹ́dì láti máa fẹ́ mi nìṣó anywhere tí mo bá ń gbé ìyàwó mi gbọ́dọ̀ kó wá bá mi ń bẹ̀. Tí mo fẹ́ báyìí ni pé kíyàwó mi kó kúrò ní Àgbàlá Lágbàlá Gabriel kó kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ kó wá kó bá mi nínú ibi tí mo gbé báyìí.
So, good afternoon everyone. It's your girl Fumite. You're all welcome to Fumite Justina blog. If you all notice, since the time that this case has happened, even on Niger Today, Ibile TV, which are part of our pages, I did not talk about it. But on this particular topic, on this particular issue about Muyideen's wife, I actually have one or two things to share. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and help us to share as well. Lórí Iyawo Muyideen, ẹ wo bí báyìí, ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ sábẹ́ ahọ́n sọ. His wife is his wife. Gbogbo àwọn kan mo ń come across àwọn videos kan, kí ló fẹ́ lọ ṣe, kí ló fẹ́ lọ bá ṣe. Ẹ̀tọ́ ìyàwó ẹ̀ tẹ̀lé ni. It is very obvious and it is very glaring that the woman don't even love him. The woman don't love him. It is very glaring. Tó bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọkọ ẹni, no matter the circumstances, she will follow him. Fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé oríṣiríṣi nǹkan, ó kù díẹ̀ káàtó láti sọ pé kí ìyàwó ẹ̀ má tẹ̀lé. It is very, very obvious that ìyàwó yẹn ó fẹ́ nítorí ilé tán kọ́ fún, nítorí pé Mr. Muyideen jẹ́ èèyàn tí gbogbo àgbáyé nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí tó ń dáwó fún tó ń fún lówó. It is very clear wípé she did not love him because of being him. He did not love him in the first place. Ìwọ tó bá jẹ́ ìyàwó, ihun tí ọkọ ẹ sọ wípé òun ò fẹ́, ó máa bá fẹ́, like ó máa accept nǹkan tó fẹ́, like kò fẹ́ nǹkan báyìí ìwọ náà fẹ́ ni. Ó ní sọ wípé nítorí pé ọkọ ẹ ti kúrò lọ́dọ̀ Àgbàlá Gabriel, so ìwọ ò kúrò. Kọ̀rọ̀ yẹn tẹ̀lé lọ́fọ̀ náà kẹ́ wọ́n jọ máa wá solution. You might not be okay for the fact that he left. You want him to stay, but he decided to leave. Okay, you might not be cool with that, but you will first follow him. Kò bá jẹ́ ojú títì ló lọ ń sùn, wàá sì tẹ̀lé náà, wàá wá fi iṣu sínú, wàá máa wá ọ̀bẹ ni. What she actually supposed to do is to try as much as possible to see people that can talk to him, to see how they will settle it. Don't misquote me. I'm not here to tell you that somebody is at fault. This also person is at fault. But on this particular case that the wife supposed to follow him or not, I stand with Muyideen. The wife supposed to follow him. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ọkùnrin ló neglect obìnrin báyẹn, ẹ̀yin èèyàn máa pariwo pé ọkùnrin yẹn ò dáa. Kódà ẹ̀yin obìnrin lẹ máa pọ̀ jù. Tẹ́ a máa sọ pé ọkùnrin yẹn ò dáa. But in this case, obìnrin ló neglect ọkùnrin, no matter the case may be. Ó ṣàmọ̀ ìtàn ọkọ ẹ̀ kó tó di pé ó gbà láti fẹ́. Ó mọ story ọkọ ẹ̀. Ó mọ bí tán ti mú wá. Ó mọ bí the whole thing ṣe jẹ́. Ṣé kò ti máa ráwọn ọkùnrin kó tó pàdé Muyideen ni? Kí ló tí kò ti love wọn? Of course, àwọn better ọkùnrin tó ju Muyideen lọ́gán ti máa wá sí iwájú ẹ̀. Kí ló tí kò ṣe love wọn? Kí ló tí kò ṣe wá polongo lọ àwọn love ẹni báyìí o? Ó ṣe jẹ́ Muyideen. Ẹ wá wo nǹkan kékeré. No matter the situation, no matter the case tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Muyideen àti Agbala Gabriel, ẹ̀tọ́ ìyàwó ó tẹ̀lé ọkọ ẹ̀ ni if she truly love him as she claimed. Kò mean pé ó pàdé ẹ̀ ní church, wọ́n pàdé níbì kan. In fact, ìwà ìyàwó yìí gan ló jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn máa wò wípé bóyá wọ́n plot woman yẹn fún Muyideen ni. Pé bóyá maybe it's a planned work pé kó fẹ́. Meanwhile, I don't think there is something like that. But ẹ̀tọ́ ìyàwó yìí tẹ̀lé ni. Àti gbàtàláyé ti dáyé lèyàn ti ń tẹ̀lé èèyàn lọ bìkan, lèyàn ti ń mú èèyàn true ẹnìkan, lèyàn ti ń rí èèyàn tó máa fẹ́ true bìkan. Àtijọ́ táláyé ti dáyé ni. So the fact that ẹnìyẹn wá ń kúrò ńbẹ̀, ìwọ tó wá jẹ́ ìyàwó á fi pé o lè tẹ̀lé, that is a no from me. Wọ́n wá wọ́n gbà bí ẹni gbàgbà ọtí online àwọn kan sọ pé yẹn ṣé kó máa lọ bá sun ojú títì kó máa sun inú olè. If she truly love him, she will follow him ni. Èèyàn máa ń fi iṣu sínú mama wọ́ ọ̀bẹ kiri ni. You might not like his step, but the fact that ẹ ti jọ ṣe ìgbéyàwó, you need to stick to him. So what is she sitting there in Agbala Gabriel doing? She's the one to sit in the house. She's the one to be selling stuff in the shop. Ilé tí wọ́n kọ́ fún ẹni tó sọ pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́. Shop tí wọ́n kọ́ fún ẹni tó sọ pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ tẹ́ni yẹn fi sílẹ̀. Láti lọ ìwọ jókòó, ó jókòó tilé, ó jókòó ti shop. So kò sí ìfẹ́ ńbẹ̀ from day one. Kò sí ìfẹ́ ńbẹ̀. So gbogbo àwọn tó ń state point wọn online tó ń sọ oríṣiríṣi, there is no point in that ṣé kò máa tẹ̀lé lọ kó lọ sùn bìkan ni, no matter how ibi tọkọ ẹ̀ bá lọ ni kó sùn àfi tó bá mọ̀ pé ó declare pé òun ò fẹ́ mọ́. But the way tó ṣe wá sí online tó ṣe ń sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ òun nífẹ̀ẹ́ Muyideen, she never loved him. She only loved what people are doing for him. She only loved the help people are rendering for him. She only loved the house they built for him. She only loved the shop that they established him to be doing business in. She never loved him. Obìnrin ni gbogbo wa. We can tell when a lady love a man. Before Muyideen, you will have been meeting people that are better than Muyideen. Why don't you love them? This is not love. This is lust. And I state my point clearly. If you truly love him, you will follow him wherever he goes. Then you can now be looking for solution after, while they will later settle everything. So bí Muyideen ṣe lọ yẹn sìn ká wá assume pé wọ́n fẹ́ settle anything àbí wọ́n fẹ́ yanjú nǹkan kan. A wá padà wá tó bá ń pa assuming pé wọ́n fẹ́ yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ wọn àti Agbala Gabriel, wọ́n fẹ́ padà wá. So you think he will come back and come and sit with you? Ó máa wá fẹ́ padà. So bí Muyideen ṣe lọ sìn, you did not go with him. You sat down in that house, you are selling something in the shop. So you feel that bó ṣe lọ yẹn nísìn ó máa padà wá. Láti wá, okay, exam come back to yanjú ó máa wá. Do that. Ka assume pé there is nothing like Muslim of a thing, or maybe some people are actually taking him to be a Muslim or whatever. Ka assume pé bí Muyideen ṣe lọ yẹn for now. Wọ́n fẹ́ settle ọ̀rọ̀ wọn àti Agbala Gabriel, you did not go with him. He will now come back láti wá fẹ́ padà. Ẹ tún jọ máa gbé nílé mataja nínú shop yẹn. Then he must have be the latest fool in town. Now tó bá wá ta property yẹn ńkọ́, Agbala Gabriel ti gbé kíní property fún. Tó bá wá ta ilé yẹn tán ta shop yẹn ńkọ́, you will be there looking for another husband. Or tó bá ti ta, tó bá lọ fowó ẹ̀ kọ́lé síbòmí, or lọ ra ilé kékeré kan síbòmí, or bóyá ó lọ establish ara síbòmí, then you will love him again, right? Ẹ wo, ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ jẹ́ ká bára wa sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Nǹkan tí lady yẹn ṣe kódàkódà ló ń jẹ́. Tó bá love ọkọ ẹ̀, ó máa lọ bá ọkọ ẹ̀ ni. That is my point. Thank you, everybody. Ẹ ṣé o.